There you are. Okay, welcome back. So now that you're thinking about previewing your next semester's classes, let's talk about how to do it with tools that are actually useful and won't cost you a dime. Let's say you're taking something like chemistry, algebra, or stats. Instead of just Googling chemistry, go to Khan Academy. It's free, super organized by subject, and designed to build your understanding step by step. You can preview an entire course there, not just watch videos, but do little quizzes too. Even if you only remember half of what you cover, it's still half more than you knew before. Now, if you're more of a video learner, YouTube is gold if you know what to search. For math and science, look up channels like Organic Chemistry Tutor, which covers way more than just chem. 3 Blue 1 Brown, especially good for visual math learners. And Crash Course, which you probably already knew about. Great for history, psychology, biology, etc. And please don't just watch passively. Your brain doesn't respond to that. Do this instead. Pause and take notes in your own words. Try to explain what you just watched out loud, like you're teaching your little cousin or even your dog. This is called the Feynman technique, and it forces your brain to process information deeply instead of just recognizing it. Also, create a cheat sheet or a running doc in Google Drive for every subject you preview. It doesn't have to be pretty, just a few bullet points per topic. Now, here's where it gets niche but powerful. A lot of professionals and professors run free websites or blogs where they explain their field in plain language. For example, StatQuest with Josh Starmer. If you're heading into stats or data science, this would be really helpful. Or Paul's Online Math Notes. You might have heard of that. It's seriously underrated for calculus and algebra. And then there's Bozeman Science, where there's biology, physics, environmental science, and it's short and visual. Also, don't sleep on your future high school or college textbook list. Some teachers post their syllabi early. Some professors don't, but some do. Or at least the name of the textbook they'll use. So look that up, skim the chapter titles, and Google around the first few topics. You don't need to read the whole book. Just knowing what's coming up can help you build a mental map of the course. So, one final thing, balance. Balance. Studying ahead shouldn't take over your summer or your winter break. You still need time to rest, hang out with friends, work a job, do internships, whatever. But if you carve out just a little time each week, like a half an hour block a couple of times a week, wow, you're doing something 90% of students are not. And when the semester starts, you'll feel it. You'll be more confident, less stressed, and more in control. Your future self, they're going to thank you hard for that. So enjoy.